na kwaba Badwam Ahosepe is the fancy door president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Part 2. Last week, menye opinion Ackah Blay. It's not say chunkomo. For na Badwam, when you made Juma why Ghana dinner. But some common now some cry Morchedo is more. It's me sure that was so common and so. It's not say na yaka chunkomo di more na. Yes, na yerebo Highlife ho nkomo. CCR no why is na ma hen. They able to na ye push Highlife in yom no. Your streaming platforms no da BBA in one more fan Highlife. Na say ampo ya like dance hall ekopedo. So dance hall no. Onya hen za. Highlife no ye hen za no. And the CCR no ye guda ye pempian yit. Mpanyim fa wo hye dwuma na ase no. Onyende why ye dwuma na che wo te dwuma na ase no. Bebre ayezi won kasa. So no and the Ackah Blay wo mention wo hade ya ze ye nyina de adwundwun me be ya Highlife enjum botum we jana na nduye na ye ko hwehwe streaming platforms da ye botum na ye hu odo se Ackah mamma ma wa kwa bebio yana okay inti no last week no menye na agyeman tena se wo hade na before menye na tena se no matwetwe nkoma fa Highlife yi hu a bebre wakache hende ya hu de anyum ya dynamic. Music is dynamic. It's no, you know, all when you name infinite bamno, na you may be sasa, it's be naze or you know. But also watch him there, oh, when the number of you warrior on your Highlife or your Afro beats no, and a warrior. But Mamma, ye for is known to the by force or your Highlife from the cranium panel. Why you Afro beats? Meaning, why you share what some no, because I say a Highlife, you know, your certain elements be. Uma or said the etsy when you knew the menu me or your Highlife and said the minya yamana into my friend in your Highlife.
More can also na the attorney said to say the can who say music I evolve from Tana Kakeku Wabon Highlife. Need to know Bob Coon Wabon Highlife. And yet the star no and the jewel can no body.
Okay.
And yet the Mr. No and a smart cancer won Highlife. Let's say it was Highlife. If it's smart cancer and the jewel can I see Kemanum, if you want by Joydako. Obo Highlife. Often Bogger Highlife.
Okay.
So what I say. And yet the Mr. No boy. If you Joydako no more start the metamino, a bit pay Reggie Rockstone na friend a chairman Masanabo Manu a Highlife better on friend hip life na Highlife na no
so no so your Highlife no but nothing you want to saka
that's right
hip life
that's right what the hip hop beating and I know the Highlife but what what you that in actual fact that's the basic other way these two elements no
see and you be you to me to get it another
that's right exactly
natural Highlife
but to say the na can no to say the na can no yeah well the style of Highlife guitar yeah that one cuts across. From Kakeku numa besi ene the Mr. Anes is saying now drum patterns no and a just to suit the current generation because say you me Afroba no mame o she bass kakraka bi no o she wig kakraka and then you know na mesiafo no she so that say ono nche so munye Ghana mesiafo first no she tunabu tinabu say atan down piao na taki that's right obey na manfo be share kakraka bi no wode to we fundo and say wa ba wasesa onu nche say Ghana fo just the generation no esesa no na numa so evolve that as inti Highlife ne de me de bia me ka say but one thing so say you say Highlife UNESCO push Highlife onto the web platform. This if you go on the web platform.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. UNESCO will push Highlife has been part of world platform.
Because me tell that there were issues with it.
Yeah. Nigeria for the anima. Nigeria for. The truth is that Nigeria for be Highlife more.
Okay. Of
course, Nigeria for be Highlife more.
Okay.
And most of our musicians, you know, those days, you know, Okuku Kofi Sami, Opambo, Amache Dede, Canados. We in Nigeria. Those days now say Nigeria must go, Ghana must go.
No.
Wako Nigeria no more Highlife for inti Bebre. Even before then, Jerry Hansen na Ramblers. Wako Nigeria wako Highlife Nigeria for Highlife. And a fella already Afrobeat band or by Ghana ha. Ebe suya Highlife bo from a botela. That's what I say.
No, if you see in Nigerian flavor.
That's right. Inti Nigeria, they can't claim Highlife to BDS. No.
Okay.
And they are not correct.
Now, me pede yes ye chika crap. Me pede bo ke na mom. Ke na. Erica no. Me pede mi hu dem
ke no. It is.
Una young ponsa feel no.
Oh, young ponsa no. Nkrofo Bebre doesn't know this story, but the story is that Yam Ponsan is not a rhythm.
On your rhythm.
On your rhythm. Okay. Yam Ponsan is a song.
Okay.
So, Joseph Sam, the way or the band your friend, the Ashanti Trio, and one would can record them rhythm no first. Would can record them in Jomno. I a friend Yam Ponsan. So, but it was so popular, and I read him now. Bonus at that time, any rhythm needing into a modern journal, the free rhythm, and I'm a Ackah was a young ponsa. But you're gonna have a young ponsa pet. The rhythm now you're saying, we a young ponsa, young ponsa, and drumno, and he had to them rhythm.
Okay,
but maybe Afrobano, na your group be a friend Mediamansa.
Mediamansa.
That's right. Mediamansa no. Mediama say enuanom. Into what football team your friend Mediama.
Mediama che de enuanom.
Enuanom.
Ah, era de busiazo.
Into Mediamansa no we di patre. We I don't know where you force we enuanom, but na so around 5, 6, 7 years. Na what by kroma what one bakrobo Kena bakubo maracas na kodna na kroto into what one wajedo na me ye pain na mu se da me adna waye no ono na rhythm na e bodi no.
Oh really?
Na what den wo friend Suhuda. That's right. Wow. It not tell them rhythm no our friend Suhuda no ona na Joseph Sam or the two, the young ponsa.
Baba. Why the whole pack?
And the way ready me, you were like a diabo. Every Christ diabo, Papa Yansan diabo, CK man diabo, CK man was a matwabwa. And Winty a Redima or and a Joseph Sam or the two young ponsano. So, inti is not young ponsa is not a rhythm. Obi abaka so me de mo boy young ponsa, wo mo young ponsa. Wo bo Suhuda.
Okay.
Na mum ndwom no your friend young ponsa. Young ponsa meja ware young pon. Because Joseph Sam, according to oral history, what say na owo nsadwase. Ehun na obo dem rhythm no. Na mama na okofa ensa no odifi efumba no. No say na chi yedu. No mama na chi yedu nti Joseph sa auto you say ya ponsa no hu echi aba meja ma ware ya ponsa meja ware. And all they told them ndwom no. And abrofo no de ko lend them okara ko de ya ponsa ndwom no. But rhythm no me from the research I me here ne de me ya from me take from media mansa no. The rhythm no your friend Suhuda.
Okay. It's not say per explanation ya. Na yet na zini na no. See most of the songs no don't know before.
Is exactly obefa.
And there and you be our potential do botum wabe high life
of course
because episode no matia.
That's right.
Now originally
no
reggae
exactly
but or tone high life.
Of course. Of course.
It's
it cuts across every continent.
Yes.
Blacks war. Who call South America, they play it. Who call the Caribbean, blacks were on, they play that into who call South America, or more than no, friend Sasa. South America, San Omo because they are blacks. No, the only thing is that to say the Macano music is very dynamic. Such as it, and our generation makes music evolve because to say the Macano Bob Co Obo Nanyum star no enye ne sa na ebo anyum but ono interest ye Ghana fo woko Africa and Australia Obo Djibouti swat ase o di Zuguru omoro ne friend Zuguru and o the boy Djibouti we dey Djibouti the menjum dem na Ajibadi ready gangoro dangaraga what the ball you be ono interest on was sem ono interest when ye Ivorians and when ye beteful
basics.
That's right, the basic must be there, but you can put anything on it. That's what I say. I mean, we are taking the girls away, and yet I'm Peduni star. I'm the boy. Only just on your Highlife. That's what I say. Inti Highlife in the Nigeria folk can never claim to be theirs. Home be sure fear. Afrobeat, you know, what a womb. Afrobeat a Highlife na and no more to needing Afrobeat. So what I say, Highlife na no more. But because fella started Afrobeat in Nigeria, into one so person will make it sure say, one maintaining the way name Afrobeat. Into the omo bobiano mo friend Afrobeat. Into the minting I was say Ghana for you so yeah the boyano was your friend Highlife. You had to do.
Into the more not yeah Highlife, you push Highlife.
That's right.
Highlife no.
That's right.
Yeah Highlife no so.
That's right.
More Jananando or streaming platforms
because they said they can Najma ne Highlife no. And you be need Da Costa ne Highlife. So what I say. Okay. Sloopy McJeff ne Highlife. And you be in Ajmadino, but a Highlife.
Highlife.
Cobra, Obo Highlife. And you be in Ajmadino, and you be in Ampedudino, but a Highlife no.
You busy in the Mafono, one home como. But before that, no, we experience with artists and you wanted to Kwanaze, etc. And you top artists, baby,
experiencing to be frank, playing with top artists. It is said local school. You definitely have to learn.
Wow.
Because they know more than you.
Hey.
And nipe bianso even when younger artists ye cry, I do not want it to me be na wo trim. Mostly I am go studio, make a session ma young artists no. No omo ya na mesua de bi afi omo ho. Next time we say na me bo ade no say Papa, why are the power women say no, unless you are not prepared to learn.
Okay.
Because Abrafor's education has no end.
Okay.
Into playing with senior artists, you know, the only thing that you gain from them is to learn. From them. They say, we say George Daku. Yeah, Boga Highlife. Yeah, the core Italy, yeah, the core Germany. Now we need the damn back home. George Daku, as at that age. Or so I'm watching by 4 or a guitar or Tiasia about 6 o'clock.
Wow.
No, when you have happened, my fan amateur. If you are from George Benson, you say, Anger, you say, no, from George Benson. Say, we name George Benson. George Benson is the greatest guitarist that the world has ever had. Great guitar player, black from America. No, now, I look at you and I can say George Benson and say, Or I want to be like now. I wanted to be like him.
Oh.
Joydako.
I can say the one more open the way like you. What also, Papa?
I wanted to be like Joydako. Anytime you offer guitar, my guitar, I imagine the second person was here. Because, I mean, I don't want it to mean now, music and so I don't want to mean ever, especially over guitar. If you would trim and ever. It is a and son and as yeah. Not just say, I've been a foolish boy or a foolish guy for not learning. Human secretary, yeah. Session be Joel East Legon. That time, Nanado, the first, you know, na. Yakobo indeed. Yeah, what was skills be? If you them come to, Uncle, please, the skills say, hey, you want to disturb me? Uncle, I don't want to disturb. I want to learn. So are you ready to learn? Come to the house.
What the stable the man?
The whole thing is that teacher. I can't go about asking my students, do you want to learn?
Into one bar.
They don't come.
Wow.
Because if we say old people, yeah, cake. But meanwhile, my senior brother, also there's a hook at the bottom of seniority. That's right. Do more platform, let's say about 2% or 3% they call they want to learn. No platform. I'm a friend, my African guitar class.
Is it open for all?
Everybody can join, unless you don't want to learn. And I will baho. I say what they what the different you for?
Okay.
Because it's only for learning. That's right. That's it. It's only for learning. And I mean, boys baby they are learning, but they feel too big to come. But if you feel too big, the teacher, I can't go about asking.
Boys. Miss Afo
can.
Okay.
Miss Afo can. Miss Afo, fiver. Who's your guitar? Been crowd once.
Okay. Ackah, since Rebecca day, young artists, Highlife artists, now they way young ones. More is not when you're general power, when you're Nejuma Yahopa.
No cranya me. I always talk about Trigmatic.
Trig?
Yeah.
Interestingly, rapper. Trig?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trig, you need him to be a rapper. He's a great singer.
Wow.
Great singer. Trigmatic is so disciplined. When it comes to let's go. Say okay, Trigmatic. Young quarter has us 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock no. Okay. Oh yeah, sound check 2 p.m. We work on 1 o'clock. Into what was it to do 2 and why late? Because on 1 o'clock we have.
Oh my, very disciplined.
Very disciplined. You man seen it in a recommendation. And to say Babu was a man with talent. What the year then? It's not only the talent. Music na you know. On a serious note, me for Adom TV and for example. I'm not the best. But they be animal from me because of relationship many park with Yakon.
And you
know and the discipline between us. And a relationship many Adom TV yawo. Such as inti talent the oba wo. No discipline oba attach no.
Very necessary.
Very important. Inti young artists no, most of them no, they feel too big. And they feel too big. I mean, talent is just about 30%. Discipline is about 60%. And at 10%, you know, by luck. That is it. Inti, young artists, they should calm down. Even before Babu Africa, here in another country was a Ubra was here. Nyakopon and it's good to brand yourself.
Sure.
But say you producer Ampadu. So now no say tomatoes be tin tomato be nice pa na wakoto. No the coffee ko ye demand. na enya
okono obochuchum na nemu basa
obotu ni nyine that's right next time we say oh onkofa into branding the year then when the product is very important won't produce proper music ama watcher say say you say music about I am your go friend fried rice fast food yeah born papa na ejetu
sharp
inma sesiano me no kase me no me band here was studio you started say a album of 8 songs about 3.5 years ago.
Wow.
And you out
no
that's right. So and you gidi go studio me ebinu work with studio why you say me ko produce a hit. You can never produce a hit.
You can't even predict which of the songs.
That's it. You produce good music. If the public listen and they think it's a hit, fine.
Yes.
But they been you to know, tell him for a hit. It doesn't work. When I am blue, I can say papa.
Papa. But it's your brother so my pede as we are taking the girls away. You find end the conversation. I feel to say I'm making the baby. Ackah, you want to say baby? Nyami eshiro. Na as what I follow eshiro here also with good music. Nyami eshiro papa. It's no ma manda hena shefo ase na me da hona say that na bibia what the time na when ye cafe bar no special thanks to you too. But when I see that we will be one about to me is man come me to get na say twetwe nkomo wa hade. But nkomo de besi ha go be kofi apelu. Na me sure I salute you boss. The mara no wo be jam wo hade ni na so na me sure na me de besi ha. We are taking the girls away.
Ladies and gents, are you ready now? We are taking the girls away. Ladies and gents, are you ready now? We are taking the girls away. We are taking the girls away. We are taking the girls away. Ladies and gents, are you ready now? We are taking the girls away to church.
Okay. But the one I say.